Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the find parking nearby option on the AppyParking Plus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then you should tap on product tour, click on the first option, find parking near me, tap on allow to enable the application to have access to your location. Then you will be directed to your phone settings, and in this section you can search for the AppyParking app and click on location, tap on while using the app or always, then go back to the application, and then you will be able to use this option. So just simply tap on product tour again, find parking near me, and then you should be able to find the nearby parking options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.